shoot.
Yeah, Mercy bat. Alright, Stevs. Yeah, I guess Sim's fine. And Steam just go Diva. Steam just go Diva.
Bob.
Alright, you dropped the point, alright?
Alright.
Mom, Steam won't go Diva.
I have to play before Diva in this.
Alright, yeah, just play far. That's good. That's good. That's Gucci. Gucci, eh?
We're running the triple tank, Orisa, Stratford, Paris, by the way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The defense one, yeah, with the, it's a Orisa, Hog, Orisa, Hog, Diva.
On offense, we do that thing where instead of the, thing...
We win?
I'll play here.
Oh, dude, Bash is just set up right here where everyone can see him.
I think my pizza.
I disagree, because I have a hard time shooting that spot.
Try to run away really quick. Since I bombed.
Fortnite. Night. Fortnite.
What?
Oh, over here. Orika!
They got Reinhardt. They got Reinhardt.
I got you.
So they got Zen.
I think they're on
Slightly
goats. They're on goats.
Fork!
Move the barrier over.
They're going
Damn.
top right. They're going top left. They're going top left. They're top lefts.
Well, that's cool.
They have a Sombra, watch out. Be sure to
Yeah,
check.
there's Somber goes.
Diva, you're on Sombra duties.
If Fifth cold spawning it for some reason. Lol.
Oh, what a throw.
Oh, they're behind us in the bridge. The
Alright,
arc.
play here. Play it right
They're
here.
coming up the ramp.
Bro, it glitched me so hard.
I'm lagging.
Kill me on point.
Range half.
I'm dropping.
I got knocked off.
Nice pick. Shatter.
Okay. Oh,
We're doing
Orisa
I have
plays
way
for
lag.
sure.
Nice. Let's switch. We have to go goats.
I know, I'm just dying. I said,
Me or Stevs?
rig. Thank you.
No,
I got bad
Spork.
spawn. I got bad spawn. Lucy, come here.
We have to wait for Spork. They use Shatter, they have Grav.
Yeah, you guys can push up. Alright, let's push up. Let's take high ground.
Higher.
I'm
Let's go
lagging.
here.
Oh my. I'm gonna have to restart my game after this, because...
Oh. I need help.
Our rain's on the floor. Our rain's on the floor.
What the fuck is happening to me?
Any heals?
Why do you always have bad DEPS? FPS.
Me? I don't have bad FPS, but I'm getting...
Get out. Get out.
We're down two.
Still keep me alive.
My problem is just lag right now.
Yeah, that's probably called FPS.
No, it's not. I have like 170, like pretty consistent. I'm just lagging.
Dude, typical. Alright, come on, high ground.
Cam!
I'm fine.
How are you alive?
Oh
About
my
it.
god, I
Don't worry
fell.
about it.
I fell. Oh, I'm getting solo shattered. Are you kidding me?
Bummer. Got nothing.
God.
We're not having like any callouts here.
Yeah, just
Run. Right. Mine's isolated.
Sombra's up top. He's
He's
top
behind
left.
us.
This is Sombra.
Огонь по готовности!
I hacked.
Nice trance.
Hey, dude, massive.
Lap on Zarya. Someone stay on point, Diva, stay back. Alright.
Don't worry, Sombra's like back up. She can't. I have
So
Shatter.
good.
I will likely miss them.
Probably
They
play
have,
high. Go back
they
and
have,
play
like,
high.
3 ults. They have 3 ults.
Get back and go high ground.
I'm staying low.
I've grabbed. They use B. I can do it freely. Unless their Diva
Go
eats
over
it.
here.
They don't have Diva either, so that's good.
Alright, I'm the only.
Somewhere behind us.
Огонь по готовности!
It's big.
Get the Reinhardt.
Big.
Someone is there.
Ryan's low. Lucio low. Forget. Good. Zen. That was Zarya. Nice job.
All good, Ryan. Come high ground. We can play high.
Two support
Alright, they
wolves.
used. They don't have any. They might have beat up now. After they use it, they don't have trance. They'll have EMP. They'll use Shatter EMP definitely. So if we stay up here though, they won't be able to call it. Zen probably play far. Just stay out of
They're
range
pushing
of
up
them.
with us.
And
Sorry, it's personal.
All systems checked out.
I heard her.
Oh shoot.
Shatter. That's a loot. Bring her brimstone.
Reinhardt by himself. Get him.
Nice, nice, nice. I'm ulting on my flank. Come to me, come to me.
Step back here.
Zarya.
Let's get this Zarya. Nice, nice. Let's back up.
There's a Sombra on me on top.
Come to the edge,
I
Ryan.
need heals. Thank you. They want monkey goats. Monkey. Oh, no diva though. So they have monkey.
I can freely grab again. So. Monkey high ground.
It's big boys.
Reinhardt's by himself, but Reinhardt's by himself.
They don't have a right.
Alright, I'm grabbing after this. They don't have beat. They'll have beat actually.
I
Monkey
made
set.
force trans.
Monkey.
Oh my god.
You built that. I don't have a.
Gotta
trans
eat
time.
that.
I can't eat it if I'm hacked.
Yeah,
Yeah, I know.
nothing you can do about
Sorry,
that.
regroup.
I knew it was coming. I was
Alright,
just.
we got
I
their
just-
monkey. Their monkey will be behind. Just reset.
We
We
may
can
be able
re-engage
to
with grab. They do have beat.
This is contestable.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it's
Alright, touch,
That was
team.
bad.
I know. I got hacked.
Back out.
Step back. They've spawned on us.
The thing is that they have
Protection
to
as I get out of here. Thanks.
cold charge.
Get it far.
Oh, Reinhardt's alone.
Oh shit, my
Roll
flag
up.
just happened. I'm off.
Down one. Back up.
Good.
Back up. They're down their monkey. We can hold this.
Yeah, he's probably changing the ride.
Yeah, he's definitely going right here.
Okay, those
Yeah.
are-
Someone here. Focus
Yep, they're
someone.
on Ryan.
Focus Zarya.
Огонь по готовности. Nerf this.
Ryan.
Nice!
Nice.
Oh, champ. Let's go.
Poco.
That was on purpose. That was planned, dude.
Poco bomb.
Gotta catch them all. Poco. Wow.
I'm going for bumper. I'm going for bumper shatter.
Do it.
Bumper shatter.
Yeah.
Bro, you are
beat them in.
feeding, Greg. You are feeding so hard.
Let's bait them in.
Watch for shadow.
He just switched to Ryan, so no.
Oh!
Whoa!
Giga Chad.
Nice.
Let's go.
Imagine getting him to spawn. This is gonna
Watch
I'm massive.
watch Sombra. I haven't seen her in a
Grab.
while.
They're gonna grab.
Playing back from you guys.
Oh shoot.
Огонь по готовности.
She's on high ground.
Coming in.
Oh, nice, dude.
Big
Save us,
chance.
save us. I'm going to ult.
Oh,
I'm just keep getting hacked. All I can
get
do
out,
is
get out,
stay.
get out. We can recontest. We can get back later.
Zarya's dead. Go Doomfist. We need our
Don't
clutch.
stay.
We have a bunch of combos. Don't switch.
We have the much better comp without EMP.
I'm going to rally.
Keep Ryan up.
Oh my god!
Giga Chad shattered. Bye. Ryan's still alive.
That's an overkill. That was overkill,
I'm
dude.
so good. I don't even need
Fucking
it.
shatters. We don't need Rua.
Who even needs good ping?
Alright, restart.
What are those shadows?
I'm just that good, man. I told you.
I didn't think the bumper shadow would actually use.
Oh, I didn't actually bumper that. I decided to pick. Yeah. I gotta. I'm gonna go monkey you.
Alright, we
Let's
need
do
to
it.
What
They're
did you
gonna
just?
switch goats. They're going to switch goats.
Still run? Yeah.
Cam, you're muted by the way.
Wait, no.
What's
We're
wrong
gonna
with
go triple
bombing to the mic?
DPS. Steve's go far.
I disagree.
Go we ball. Atlanta Rain just killed New York with it.
What are we doing?
Wait,
I don't know.
Triple DPS. Okay, let's
What?
get a
I don't
Sombra.
like sports call, so we're going back to
Team,
go.
go Sombra, Aqua, go
Dude.
ball. Go get a Mercy, Lucio. Alright. Rain just won with it today on this map on first point, so.
Yeah, but
Rain's
we're not
better than
Atlanta
me.
Rain. We
Yes,
haven't
we
been
are.
prac-
I'm
we didn't
basically
practice
different.
this comp at all.
I'm retired.
DeFran wasn't even
Defran.
play.
The friend got lucky, dude.
I'm Baby Bay. Basically.
Baby Bay was
really
throwing.
bad
so-
grabs.
He's bad.
Baby
BBJ
Bay.
is both
So many
overrated
grabs
and
into
he's really good mechanically.
Alright,
He has no game sense.
Let's go bottom left to. Actually, I
no,
don't know
no,
what
go
to do.
right, go right, go right.
Alright, let's get upper ground.
Oh, they're
Bro,
playing. up
DC
on-
will actually love. Alright, go right, with me. Come on, come up here. Alright, now we're gonna do something bigger brain than that.
They're doing
Come on here,
both.
come here, come here, come here.
What are we doing?
Drop in, we go point.
Okay. Oh, we faked him out, boys.
Yeah!
Rain stun, rain
Nice
stun.
stun.
Whoa, I got my okay.
That Ryan's
My
down.
shield's down.
Zarya, Zarya?
Sorry. Did I use personal?
I'm back and back.
Get Zarya, we need to get Zarya.
Nope, I killed the D-Bell on accident.
Champ.
Jumped in front of me.
Oh shit. I missed my turn.
I fight a
Let's
grab,
go,
they
guys.
have no ults. They might have a trance. Probably
No,
not.
that.
I have rally, I have rally.
Alright,
I'm like
Rally
a
usually
pixel
goes-
away from
Diva, you can't. Diva cart. Diva stay on cart. Come up. Brig, you're feeding right now, please.
Give me up.
My bad, my bad.
Mine's not there yet.
Brig, just you're feeding.
Nice.
Oh.
Nice.
Alright, I'm gonna
I can
rally.
push.
You don't have to rally.
No, Riley, don't.
No, one fight. They're getting back. You can probably push into them.
No, we're good. Pick high ground.
I have my trans.
Go back.
Cam.
Save me.
Make go high.
If I had Shatter, I'd go for a bumper here, but.
Огонь по готовности! Огонь по готовности!
Oh no!
He hammered you, nice.
That was a big shatter. They used 3 ults.
Yeah,
I
they did.
was almost.
I Shatter. We did too. We used everything there.
The beat was almost there. Like it was like just like.
Oh, that's unlucky.
I escaped all my charge. We can re-engage. Alright, we take high. Take high.
Steam. I mean, Sport, get back here.
Why? You're
too
not
far
there.
forward. We don't trust you. We're dropping from behind. Drop from behind. Steam, Sport, back here.
No. We keep high. We keep
Demon's
high.
almost out of mech.
Dragon's an advantage.
You guys fucked me
That's
up.
why you don't do that.
Oh,
That was
High
fun.
ground, we keep the high ground advantage. That's the point of it.
Fine, I'll do that next time. I won't feed next time, I promise. That's lost, it's lost. It's been lost for a while. Down card, down card, down card. Yeah. Spork, you're
Should I go Sombra? Should I go Sombra?
No.
No, we're good.
Can we go high now?
He's still an econ push.
My
Alright,
problem
come
with
up
this is
here. Come here.
If we jump down, we all have to go down all at once.
Alright, go down in 3, 2,
And then pick a
1.
target.
Now.
Good target, alright?
Run.
Oh shoot!
It doesn't work when there's a.
Nerf this.
Alright, they used all their ults though.
Yeah, I got them.
God.
Die, Steve, faster.
That was just dumb on our part.
Die faster,
Should've
Steve.
noticed that Ryan wasn't there.
We have to wait for Steam because he's feeding.
I
Now
am
he's
feeding.
being stalled.
Oh my god. Alright, come here. We're gonna go a different way. We're gonna go bottom right in here.
Just go main.
No, go
Bottom
bottom
right.
right
Yes,
here.
go
Go bottom
right.
right here.
Skip
We can literally go straight to point. Come here.
Yeah,
come
but
here.
that's a
Come here.
massive
Come
choke.
here.
That's a massive choke.
So is main. What?
You can't split
It
like that.
basically
you are
compresses you
alone.
into a single doorway, which is why it's not good at all.
Ryan, you are alone.
No, I'm not.
You were.
I'm huge!
Fall target, fall target.
Counter charge.
Ryan.
I'm back. Okay.
They used
I
both
attacked
support
that
alts.
for
That was
him.
good. They used both support alts. I can grab
Zarya.
Let's push
I'm
up, push
staying
up,
pretty
push
fast
up.
at that now. I'm the Giga Chad main tank that we all need.
Diva.
Right here.
Огонь по готовности.
They have no healing.
Ryan.
I got Ryan! Ryan's out!
Огонь по готовности.
Let's go, cancel!
Maybe
I'm
we
not
should
even gonna
grab.
waste my ult.
Cool 10! Make sure Diva die.
Nice.
Threw away my bomb by accident.
Oh my god, what? No. No, you still have it.
No.
Oh wait, no, that was your mech.
Baby man.
Alright, I have Rally again.
Diva card. Oh my god.
Or what?
Diva stay on card.
Speed.
Big shadow, big shadow.
Oh! Push sorry.
Who's that?
Give it to you on top.
Lucio
baby.
back here. Thank you.
Nice.
I'm sure they're so confused about why our Ryan is a complete Giga Chad. I have no regard for safety.
That's goats, man. Bumper.
That's basically how Bumper
No
goes.
sleep. Kill everything. Let's go!
Sex double kill. Let's go. Pog champ.
Back to the lobby.
Time for coaching. Oh wait.
Oh wait, there is no coach. Okay, Mitchin.
Evergreen.
Vivid,
What's up?
coach us.
Vivek, what'd you see that was bad?
Nothing,
because we're
Too much
perfect.
alpha charges.
Well, except for no target calling, and
Yeah,
most of the time we didn't know
Pig-
where the fuck to go.
Yeah, like I feel like you guys get distracted easily.
Very
What?
easily. Somebody's like, go left, and everyone's like, I'm gonna go right.
Yeah, we just.
Well, yeah, because we don't listen to Spork.
Who's the shot caller? Is it Spork or you?
We gotta listen to Spork, dude.
Is
I
it
said
Spork
go
or you?
right first, and you're like, now.
Yeah.
So,
Valiant got a map off of Chengdu.
Who is the shot caller? Is it you?
yeah, who's the shot?
No,
Yeah,
not
it's supposed to be our
Chengdu.
main
Come on.
tank.
It should be the main tank. Yeah.
I do a little bit of shot. I don't know.
Wait,
I'm
wait,
not
you should be
usually a
doing-
main tank.
You
though,
shouldn't be
so-
doing just a little bit. You should be doing a lot bit. All right.
Yeah.
Look, I called that speed there for the absolute massive shatter. I don't know if it actually happened, but
I think you got 4.
You called for speed?
Hey, Valiant's playing Orisa on attack on Paris.
what?
No,
they're playing
not.
attack
No,
Orisa.
they're not.
Yes, they
Yeah,
are.
Yeah, they are.
Wait,
Oh,
what?
God.
I gotta see this.
Where's Daddy Evergreen?
Wait, Mercury, put me in Mercury. I can do better in Iter D.
Lowering quality. Theater mode. Oh, what the fuck is Valiant doing? They're throwing.
They're basically just doing.
They're out doing Chengdu.
They're stage 4 metaing. or they're doing the playoff meta.
Yeah, I
They
know.
lost anyway, so. Yeah, you guys need Soon for that, not KSF. Whoever that is. Whoever that
I mean,
is.
I don't think Soon's exactly an excellent widow. He's a good widow, but I don't think that he's.
Are you high?
He's better than this guy.
Yeah, probably. But
Soon was insane.
I feel like Soon's better as a what's it called?
Buff Brig. This is the only fun match to watch because there's no goats.
Why would they play Orisa? You can't move with Orisa.
Stage 5 comp. I mean,
They're out chain
playoff
doing-
comp, playoff comp, stage 4 comp.
No, stage 4 was Brig still.
No. In the
Was it not yet? Only
playoff.
Dallas played Brig, I suppose.
Yeah, because they had Mickey, who's also now bad at Brig.
No, Mickey's still good. He
I think
was like
Mickey's
the
better
older.
than Zachary. Fucking Zachary feeds every 2 seconds.
Yeah,
Watch
but
a
you
match,
see,
he
Mickey
feeds.
used to be a good diva, but then people discovered that because he like invented a new style of diva, and then they found out.
So he's kind of
People
like the
learned and
older
got better
Brig.
than him, and now he's bad at diva, and now
He was
people
the
have learned how to
first
play Brig.
like real good Brig, which makes
I think
him.
the reason they don't play him on Brig is because of the whole Brig's played by DPS thought pattern.
Yeah.
Zachary's a DPS.
He's also a hit scan though.
Unknown academically.
I'm just gonna say Zachary is not a flex DPS.
Zachary's worthless. I don't know why they keep.
He's good. Zachary is
He's
extremely
done nothing.
He's good at DPS, like Sombra.
Yeah.
But
If you try to say that Zachary is not skilled, then I don't.
RCK was really good at Sombra or something. I think.
RCK was, yeah.
Yeah,
but
now he's on
Bill
Boston.
gives her
and now
better,
Mo-
like.
No,
I
no,
think
it's the
that-
best
Note's
diva.
way
Most of the best diva or something.
No,
he's
he's the
insane
best
at diva.
Western.
Yeah.
Actually, no, Space is the best Western diva.
Oh yes.
but
Well,
Note's the best.
no, not anymore.
I think Space is still. Valiant bad, but
I mean,
Space,
his
Space
team,
doesn't have
his,
a chance to show
his
off.
team is holding him
I
back.
think that Space and Fate are both extremely good. I'm just
Didn't you
gonna
have
say.
to, Ameng, didn't you have to restart your computer?
No, I'll be fine.
Alright.
I believe.
Did you know that there's 2 main tanks on the Overwatch All Stars Pacific team?
Ameng, yeah, Ameng and
Fissure.
that's not Fisher.
Yeah, it is.
Is it? Is it
Yeah.
Fisher? I feel like it's someone.
Where?
It's
Overwatch
Ameng
All-Star.
and someone else.
Fissure.
Oh, All Star.
Remember when Fissure was for
Remember when Fisher played?
Remember when Fisher was a good tank?
Fisher Fisher's good. He just plays an extremely Giga Chad style. He requires a shit ton of
He
resources.
plays much
Big bumper.
different style. He played better with Gladiators.
Well, yeah, it's because they're a much more aggro
if
team.
Marvel, his
Solos.
Marvel's better than him, and that's saying
Marvel's better. Marvel doesn't require as many resources, basically.
Yeah, Marvel's just not as stupid when he plays.
I mean,
Kind of.
oh, we could bring in Leon. Leon, coach us.
Well, they have
Somebody
a scrim, I
coach
think.
us.
No, do they?
Just ping Justice, that's fine.
Hold on, what do you guys need?
I don't know.
Come on.
Coach.
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 What's this
In-
thing called? A
Invite
coach?
me, invite me to your lobby right now.
Pogu, alright. Lazy. Hey, your name's Lazy in game, right?
Yeah.
Do I have you added?
Maybe not.
Probably not.
I will put my thing in there. It's in battle tags.
1870. Are you from 1870 that year?
No.
Oh.
Oh, it's lazy. Okay.
We're all just.
Oh
memeing.
no, I'm not. Don't all fucking add me. Only one of you needs to add me. Okay, what? What? Hold on.
Only one. He doesn't want to be friends with
I
me.
I'll add
fucking
you.
am gonna deny all of y'all.
Why me though? Why me though?
Okay.
The hate.
Alright. So what's the problem? Like,
We're bad.
We haven't had a coach for like 3 weeks.
Okay, hold on.
I've been trying out for this team for 3 weeks.
Oh yeah, we haven't had any coaches to say anything. Yeah.
I'll be right back on. I will
Blame.
literally join.
Just
Come on.
blame.
I feel
everyone.
like
Yeah, tell them
I
we-
feel like
tell
I'm
them
the
we
guy
have
that
one.
Come on, Evergreen. Why are you studying for your finals? You should be with us.
I feel like I'm the guy who just came like over to a party once. and
Alright,
never
they're
left.
ready. Wait,
Just been
so
living here.
what did Leon say?
I don't know.
Said
Hold
wait
on a
1
second.
minute.
Start the game.
Right. Sorry, I just bombed. My name is Marty McFly Williams, and I'm about to bomb this Master Hill.
Your boy
Alright, what are we running?
You're running goats.
ruined.
Ball
Um,
goes.
Yeah. With Widow and something else.
Ball goes.
Or you're in dive. Widow
Ball goes.
Tracer.
Still one healers.
Mercy's
Play
in
like
as well.
Mercy. Mercy's in mitten hands. Doesn't it feel good to play?
I'm
Hey,
back.
I
I'm
wonder
back,
what hero I'll
bitches.
play today.
Oh my god.
Alright, Stevs, go Tracer.
Yeah, sure.
Watch either Fifa goes play Sombra, just go into our back. Be all mean. In all my placement games, I haven't had a single 2-2-2 match. It's always been at least 3 DPS.
I mean, 3 DPS can work as long as you have like the right.
I won 4 of my placement games.
Oh!